Southwest 737-700. It might be a stub, but it's fine, I guess. Only because it's low. And there's an A321 over there that I miserably failed to capture. Here we are, park and fly plus time, and A320 time, and car gonna run us over time. Hey, it's got a Delta belly, Jeff. Yeah! Woo, yeah! Alright. And as it goes into the sun, it's been a while. It has been a while since we've been here, and there's another one coming. Another A320. This one is a Spirit. And it's just a regular 232. Not any Neo or anything fancy like that. Regular old 232. Finally, not an A320 as I hear some very loud thrust. And it's got a Delta belly too. That's an 800. And away it goes behind the tree line again. Hey, American Eagle. CRJ 900. And behind the Tower of Doom, I guess. I'm gonna regret saying that. Oh, another jet already. Southwest, looks like. I'm only filming this because Jeff said we haven't seen any A321s yet. There you go, in your face, Jeff. Little wobbly, but otherwise steady approach for the 717. Maybe 717-2BD or Bravo Delta, or as us around this region of the United States should call it Bravo Dixie. And it's got a Delta belly too. And it should be behind the trees. Oh, here comes Southwest too. Oh yeah, we're here. My camera is fuzzy. Very fuzzy. Oh crap. Delta belly 717, yeah! Yeah, woohoo, yeah. Away it goes. Oh well. Wingless 752. Delta belly again. Yeah! Yeah, this is what it's all about here, folks. It's good stuff. It'll disappear now. A320 with a Delta belly again. I'm trying to race for an overhead 737, come on! Oh no! Oh, it's American, yeah! Oh, damn it! Oh man, I wanted to get an overhead. That's fine. Now I'm racing with a big graham cracker sticking out of my mouth. Ah, can I get it? Ah! Yeah! I barely lost the race that time. Here's a jet over here. I'm gonna race it now. And see if I can get down to the Sunoco and direct overheads trip again or not. I think I might finally do it this time. Unless I trip on a bottle, which I almost did. This one might be close. There's two jets over there. One's gonna land on runway 10, probably. I think I did it. Yes, I did it. I got too much of a head start, but I did it. Come on. Yeah! Oh, I finally beat you. A321 with the usual Delta belly, and there's a, I think it's a Pilatus PC-12 over there. with a nose down attitude. It's still a reds either way though. So I'm not zooming in for you. You're going away in the left-hand corner of the screen. Top left corner of the screen, actually. Oh, I do it better this time. Come on. This is the last race. Yes. Yes. Oh, Delta Belly A319. I beat both of you. That's what I'm talking about. I just unintentionally raced. I walked back there. We got them on both sides. American again. Oh, this could be a go-around though, because we just only see one American 737. That could have been a go-around. I don't know. But also, these gas prices are ridiculous. Man, $4 for gas? Jesus Christ. Will you be a go-around? Who knows? Maybe I'll see you again. Some sunny, later part of this afternoon. 757 this time. Blowing sideways. Very, nice little wind there. Oh, Delta Belly too. Yay! Yeah, 757. Just a 200, but no winglets either. Oh, yeah! Oh. Boy, I love being out here. Oh, it's sideways. Pretty sideways. Here's a car with a bike attached to the back. I see a lot of bikes around here for some reason. Another non-winglet 757. That's 3. Oh, yeah. Delta Belly. Yeah. Wondrous. Well, look at this, people. It's a semi-wobbly 717. Oh, very wobbly. Geez. And the bright light shines in my eyes. No Delta Belly, dang it. Maybe it's a 2PD. Bravo Delta, Bravo Dixie. Yeah! Road sign. Global Gateway. This is our spot. Yeah. That's the way it goes, by the way. Okay, 737. This one's an 800. Delta Belly, yeah! Oh, great. And as far as it may go back, at least get it to the tree line of doom. Come on! Yes! Wondrous. Air Canada ERJ. I've never seen this before. I've seen the 787. Never this. Also, there's a helicopter over there. But this is the wintergreen Air Canada livery too, which is the best one. We've returned. 757. You can have your underside back. I'll stay over here at the far end of the park. It's fine too. Yeah. Wondrous expedition indeed. Litterers unloading trash in the middle of this grass field in the woods. There hasn't been a jet in like 3 years. I don't know what's going on. On the north side there have been quite a bit of jets. Not anymore now that I said that, but here there haven't been any. Oh, here we go, boys. This is the good stuff right here. 747 and it's challenge accepted. Yeah! Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Oh, yes. The challenge group. And away. Man.
It's a big wobbly, floppy piece of metal flying over your head.
How's this guy here not even caring about it? Like, at least like look up for a split second. 747. Whoa, you're way too close. A321. Yes. I kind of missed the whole thing, but don't ask why I was in the woods, by the way. Which is the reason. Also, there's a train over there. Yeah, these jets are wobbling, people, let me tell you. This one's probably not going to do anything because I'm filming it. Oh, it's a United, never mind. On the other side, not here. This is Delta A321. The last one did wobble quite a bit.
There it goes.
There we go,
Oh,
yeah.
Whoa.
Yeah, this is what I'm talking about. Wobbly What are wobbles out of that one? Maybe like. Let's see what we get out of this 757.
No winglets.
Once again, that's usual at this point. Oh,
Yep,
it's.
Oh, he's throttling up a little.
Oh, go around, come on. Oh, no. Oh. Hey, there's that thing.
We go to get the big ones.
Oh, it's finally. Frankfurt would be a good option. Hey, I was finally right. It's finally a CRJ 200.
It's aimed down. It's pointing straight down.
I've said a CRJ 900 was a CRJ
Wobble right there.
200.
Still, wobble good there.
Oh, there we
look at
go.
him. He's
Yeah.
wobbling, crazy wobble.
That's good, right? Yes. We love the wobbles out of the CRJ 200. At least the reg gives me something. Couldn't give me a go around, but that's good enough. And there's something over there, that I guess would be important for another time. Here we go. Come on, come on, come on. Yeah. Oh, yeah. We still got it. And over it goes. Away. Over to the airport. The runway. Runway 09 right. They just switched the pattern right in front of our very eyes. First jet we saw was a 717.
Okay, where we're gonna go? Because I can't stay here. It's reserved for the
Sky Meadow.
Okay,
Sky Meadow.
hold up.
Geez, that 7.5 is taking off straight up. In fact, it's putting a new definition with straight. Jesus Christ. I haven't seen one take off that steep. Ever. Even the 717s don't. Which is saying something, because those things like to rocket off the road. Woohoo, yeah, guess where we are now. Bet you couldn't guess, except yes you could. We're in Truckville. Yes, we get an arrival. Delta 752 with a Delta belly, yeah! Yay! Oh, do I love the Sky Meadow. And we have a Korean 777 having a difficult time deciding actually whether it's going to. Whoa, that was a wobble and a half. Even CRJs are worth it when you're close enough to the airport. He did a wobble and a half again before he got here, but unfortunately that was. Oh yeah, wobbly. Wobble that. Yeah! Oh, yeah. And can we get a weird echo? Yes, we can. Very strange echoes. Barnacle boy. Yeah, A321 again for like the 8th time. Yeah! Oh, man. I don't really care about it too much. Oh, it's wobbling a lot. Jeez, that's what I get. I think my sound waves that came off of that. Yeah, Freedom 1. Yes. Oh, I just thought it was a regular Southwest, but I missed the video opportunity. Damn it. Oh, we better get an A380. It's wobbling Southwest. Oh my God. There was a stub. I regret filming that. And another stub. I definitely regret filming it. Ah! Yeah! That's the finale. I don't know why though. Oh, there's more jets coming. No, you know the finale is gonna be the CRJ 900 taking off here. Woohoo! Yeah, come on. I've filmed like 50 videos today. I'm really gonna have to get my life sorted out. Come on, CRJ 900, I just tripped. Fortunately, I didn't die. Especially because there's a lot of concrete around me. Come on. Come on, I'll do the honk the horn thing to the truck. Yeah! Oh. This has been a great day.